Today's Japanese idiom is Zettai Zetsumei. It means a desperate situation with no way out.
Hey, look, there's a big rock on top of the mountain. Let's climb it.
Yeah, that's risky. Are you sure you're okay, Kenta?
That might be a little dangerous, don't you think? What if the rock falls?
It'll be fine. I'll just climb a little bit.
Kenta, be careful. If the rock falls, it'll be a total disaster.
What do you mean by total disaster?
A total disaster means being in a situation where there's no way out and you can't escape. It's like being trapped with no way to survive.
Whoa, it's really shaking.
Kenta, it's dangerous. Get down right now.
Phew, that was scary. I won't take such risks again.
That was really dangerous, but I'm glad you're okay.
I can't believe we were in a total disaster situation.